Okay, so this is HackZA and I'm just going through the Bitcoin and USDT flashing software. First I just need to calculate the hash 160, which you can use any website for, to convert the address into a hash 160. Once you got the hash 160, you just copy and paste it into the tool like this. Under hash keys, you're gonna find it over here. Generate. There's a lot of websites that generate these kind of encryptions and decryptions. I'll put a link for you. So you just copy the link key and then let's go here, paste it over there. For the password, you're just gonna click enable next to it to disable it. Hash rate always 8,000 THS. So that's that. Then we should be able to go.